Hello, pinballers. Just wanted to do a quick video of doing a rebuild kit for the power supply on my high-speed pinball machine that I have. I am wanting to get that back together. I've got almost everything cleaned. I still need to put a bunch of the screws in the sonic cleaner that I have, but today I just got the wiring harness cleaned, so and all of the connectors, or the contacts I should say, cleaned with 99% alcohol. So I just wanted to ask where I could get a rebuild kit for the power supply, because I know it's a game from 1986, so it's probably needing an overhaul. I'm also going to do some replacing of the transistors. I believe that is what controls like the coils and stuff. I'm not totally sure on that. Somebody can say if I'm wrong or not on that, but what I need to do with the back box kicker, the coil that burned up and the wires were cut, for that one I need to figure out in the manual which transistor I believe it is, on the motherboard kind of, and figure out which one to replace, so that I'm guessing that it is locking on, and that's why it burned out and why the operator cut the wires to it. So that's another thing I need, is to figure out which controller I need to replace, and get that replacement part as well. So if anybody can give me a heads up of where to find a rebuild kit for the power supply and the coil, the back box coil, transistor controller, whatever thing. Yeah, I'm being really technical here, but you guys, you techie guys, know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm really excited that I am almost about to get this thing back together. I still need to touch up the cab and paint the back box yet, and clear coat both the cab and the back box, and I also need to still touch up the play field, but overall it's pretty much coming along. So yeah, so I guess that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick video. Yeah, and I know the it's not the super fancy 1080p that I usually have, but that's because I'm just doing a Ustream recording and just going to upload it to my YouTube directly. So anyways, enough of my ramblings. Thanks for watching, and thanks, and until next time, or next repair job that I stream on my high-speed project here. I'll talk to you guys later.